Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new here, hello, my name is Melanie. And if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. So you guys, for today's video, I am doing my December Yes Oh Yes unbagging. I know it's January already. I'm so sorry I'm late on all my unbaggings. I'm trying to catch up. I don't want to miss out on my unbagging. I do love reviewing products, so I hope you guys don't mind. So if you're not familiar with Yes Oh Yes, it is a subscription company. You pay $14.99 a month. They are fairly new, so check them out. If you are enjoying my videos, you've been enjoying my channel, thank you for those who have subscribed to me, and hopefully if you're new and you're watching, you'll be a friend and just click that subscribe button. So if you guys want to see how I created this look and which product I have on my face that's in this month's Yes Oh Yes bag, and then just keep on watching. Sadly, in this month's bag, there is no card. I guess they forgot to put one in my bag. The card tells you the theme for the month and the prices and information about the products. So I'll have to look it up. As you guys can see, I don't have nothing on my face but my brows because there is a concealer palette in this month's bag. This is the Bellapierre Cosmetics Pro Concealer Palette. There's 3 concealer inside. As you guys can tell, I haven't opened it yet because I already have that concealer right here. It's open already, so I don't want to open that. That would be like in a future giveaway. So we have orange one, a green one, and a light purple or lilac color in this palette. Let's go ahead and look it up because I don't want to give you guys false information on how you should use this concealer. You can go on the internet, you can go on Pinterest. Pinterest is very helpful with color wheel and what these concealers are used for, so I'm just gonna read them to you. The orange cancels dark circles and brown spots on medium to deep skin. So the green one neutralizes redness, and the purple one, it neutralizes yellow undertones on light to medium skin. I think fingers would be the best tool to use this so you can warm up the products into your skin. So I'm gonna take the orange ones and we're gonna try to cancel out our dark circles and the dark spots that we have on our face. And then I'm just gonna take that to my dark spots. So like the scarrings right there, right there. And now moving on to the green one, it says it neutralizes redness. So that would be my screaming pimples right now. Right there, I have redness right there too. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of the orange one. I do have darkness around here. And then the purple one, it says that it neutralizes dull yellow undertones. When I'm editing my videos, I can see that I do have like yellowness around here and a little bit right here. So we're just gonna go over that orange one. But that's all the places that I can really see that is yellow. So I'm just gonna take the purple one. And I do see like a little bit of yellowness around here. Around here, and a little bit like right here. See like a little yellowness right there. When you're looking like that, you know you're doing it right. You guys, you know I forgot to prime my face, so I'm sorry about that, but always prime your face. I forgot, so let's just go ahead and move on to the foundation. So I'm just gonna go apply the foundation everywhere. I'm gonna try to cover all that. So as you guys can see, it did hide the darkness under my eye. It got rid of all the darkness right here, and also it neutralized the redness of my pimple right here. So I think that is pretty cool because usually I don't really bother. I just, you know, whatever. If it peeks through my foundation, it's okay. It is what it is. So I think if you do have a lot of darkness, redness, you should try this under your foundation. You know, it might help to conceal those things that we don't want to show. Let's go ahead and move on to the next thing in this bag, which is a brush. This is from a crown brush. I love me some crown brush. You can use this to contour your face, or also you can use it to highlight as well because of the angled brush is really soft, so I cannot wait to use it. I'm also gonna take this brush and I'm gonna use it for our blush. I'm gonna take another Bellapierre Cosmetics product. This is a mineral blush. This is in Desert Rose. So this brush is very versatile. As you guys can see, we use it to contour our face already. We also use it to apply our blush. You can also use this to apply your highlight. You can also use this to set your under eye if you wanted to. I think every brush is versatile. You don't have to use it for its intended use. So I already prepped my lid for the next thing in this bag, which is a palette. So this is from Beauty Creations. So this is Cali Chic. This is what it looks like. It's real pretty. I love the salmon color, or is this peach? Salmon, right? So this is the bag. It tells you, you know, the ingredients and whatnot, cruelty-free products. So guys, these are all the shades in this palette. Sorry, my hands are shaky. But we are going to do a halo look today. I haven't done one in a while. So you guys, these are the swatches of all of the shades. I know I am so bad at swatching and my camera doesn't really focus too much. So it doesn't really give justice to the shades, but they are really pretty. I know that I have all these shades in my collection already, but I'm not mad at it. This is all the shades that I love. I'm just so attracted to these tones right here. I just love my warms, some cool tones, and you know, my shimmer, my gold, my bronze is just definitely a good palette. I'm gonna go ahead and take Marina, this one right here. So we are doing a halo, so we're gonna be applying that on the inner and outer part of our lid. Moving on to our next shade, let's go ahead and take Sunset, this one right here. We're gonna do the same thing with all the shades except the shimmer shade. That's gonna be our spotlight shade. Oh, this is such a pretty shade. So I'm just packing it on first and then we'll blend. You know what, you guys? I'm gonna go ahead and apply some loose powder underneath my eyes so we don't make a mess. And I'm going to take a more fluffier brush. I'm going to take just a little bit of Marina. And we're just going to blend that. So let's go ahead and take Beach Babe, this one right here, doing the same thing. I just like to layer all these colors instead of just put it all in there at one time, like mixing them together. I like it in like steps. Now let's go ahead and move on to the last shade that I want to put on the eyes, which is Laguna. So this is the darkest shade in the palette. I'm going to take my concealer and my favorite brush to clean up my lid. This is a LUXIE 160. This is a lip brush. Now let's go ahead and apply some shimmer on our lid. I'm going to take Malibu, the gold one, and I'm going to put that in the middle. That would be our spotlight color. So I'm going to go ahead and dip into Beach Babe and Laguna, and then we're just going to blend the inner and outer. You guys, I kind of like that. It looks like it's like a reflection on the water, like the sun or the sunset, you know. I like it. I'm gonna leave it like that. So you guys, I went ahead and finished up the face. I used Laguna, Beach Babe, Sunset, and then I blended it with Marina. For highlights, I used my Gerard Cosmetics. This is in Grace. If you want to save money on Gerard Cosmetics, they have the best highlighters, they have the best lippies. They're always having sales, so you guys check it out, and you can use my discount code or my link and you will save money. So check them out. That's what I have for the highlight, the brow bone, the inner corner, and then for lashes I use my Vianney Strick Princesa lashes. This is her collaboration with Delarza Cosmetics. I did a review on this. I will link it and check it out. So you guys, the next two things in the bag, they go together, so let's go ahead and just jump right to it. The first thing is the Hydrating Lip Mask, this one right here. I don't think I can use it. You know what? Because I already had my foundation, I didn't think about it. So this is probably going to be one of those really wet mask for your lips. Oh yeah, so it's really wet, so definitely not gonna be using this right now anyways, but I will use it. This is what it looks like. So it's just a mask that you put on your lips to hydrate your lips and all that good stuff. Put it back in the bag. Anything mask for your face, for your lips, just mask in general, it's good for your skin, so I'm definitely gonna get a use out of that. So let's go ahead and move on to the last thing in the bag, which is a liquid lipstick. This is from Kokie Professional. I always wanted to try their products. This one is, it says kissable liquid lipstick. This one is in Dolled Up. So this is what it looks like. Let me show you the wand. So this is what Dolled Up looks like on me. I really like this shade, you guys. I don't think I have a shade like this in my collection, so it's good to have. I don't think it goes good with our eyes, but it's okay. We're just gonna keep it. It's like, it's 1 o'clock in the morning, and you know, I'm just ready to go to bed and, you know, take all this hard work off and go to bed. Get a good selfie first though. So I know it's probably looking a little crazy right here because my eyes started watering. It's still watering right now, so I tried to reapply my shadows, but when you let it a little bit wet, shadows does apply a little darker, so I'm sorry if it looks a little wonky. So you guys, that's everything in my December Yes Oh Yes. Let me know how you like this subscription, if you have it, if you are thinking of getting it. Everything is going to be in the description below. If you're interested, let me know which product you like the most. I really like the palette, of course, that is my favorite. So you guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys subscribe before you leave, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.